trouble using Snapchat app on your device? Then in today's video, I'm gonna show you the easiest way on how you can fix this issue. So the very first thing you wanna do is move into any of the web browser. Let me move into Safari. Well, in the address bar, you need to search for Snapchat outage. Head over to the very first site. In this site, you can check whether the server of Snapchat is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down, and in that case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server is fixed, the next thing you wanna do is move into the App Store on your device. In the address bar, search for Snapchat. Move ahead to this application. Instead of open, if you see the option of update, then simply click on update and update the app to the latest version. Once updated, now move into the settings of the device. Head over to general. And then move into iPhone storage. Here you need to search for the application Snapchat. Click on it. Tap on offload app. Once again click on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.